Welcome to the ASAP methodology overview. Firstly, we will explore different implementation types of projects. Let us discuss different types of implementation projects. Greenfield Implementation Project. A greenfield SAP S/4HANA implementation is completely new system implementing from scratch. So, all the configurations are done from the scratch, all the programs are developed from the scratch. It is similar like implementing SAP at a new customer. The existing SAP customers who already have SAP R3 or SAP ECC older version system, in some cases, older system cannot be upgraded and must go with greenfield implementation as their existing systems is treated as a legacy system and used as a source for legacy data migration. If company goes with the new greenfield SAP S/4HANA implementation, they can benefit custom code programs and from system-designed S/4HANA simplified data architecture. With S/4HANA, speed and performance increases. So, the companies who are dealing with huge data volumes can benefit at mass level. Let us discuss the benefits of greenfield. You have an opportunity to implement new processes and improve current processes. You can design new configuration for SAP S/4HANA. One of the options for data cleaning and harmonization. Here you can limit number of custom developments. Hope you understood greenfield implementation. As discussed, it is completely a new implementation. In different types of project section, a detailed discussion clip is available. So now let us discuss what is brownfield implementation project. In brownfield implementation project, you can convert an existing SAP ERP solution to SAP S/4HANA. Even you can convert business data and configurations. You can convert essential master data and transactional data from the existing solution, which is also called system conversion project or migration project or a upgrade project. Data migration is possible from SAP ECC 6.0 Enhancement Package 7.0 version to SAP S/4HANA only. But older versions data need to be converted and migrated. It is difficult process to upgrade as it is not like upgrading from one enhancement package to another enhancement package, as SAP S/4HANA comes with completely new database. Upgrading an existing SAP ERP system to new SAP S/4HANA is a complex process. Especially for huge customized systems, it will be challenging because lot of programs need to be modified according to the S/4HANA database model. So this was the short explanation on brownfield implementation project. An exclusive clip is prepared for brownfield implementation project. Let us discuss what is bluefield implementation project. In bluefield implementation project selective data transition, you want to merge or split existing ERP instances or have phased go-lives. If you want to reuse only certain parts of the existing configuration, master data, and transaction data, you can select certain part of master data, configurations, and business processes and reuse. Last project type you have is support projects we will discuss in coming clips. There's something called Big Bang implementation. Big Bang implementation means, for example, Samsung company is having 10 offices, 10 branches, or plants in 10 regions, and it has got business in say more than 10 regions. If they want to implement SAP in all the 10 regions at one time, that kind of implementation is called Big Bang implementation. In Big Bang implementation, all the countries, regions, branches, or plants will go live on same date. The second type of implementation is rollout-based implementations. For example, SAP may be implemented first at main branch office or company headquarters, then rollouts will be planned in phase manner, like implement into regions at a time, then, after month or 2 months later, implement SAP in more 2 or 5 regions, so on and so forth. So, that kind of implementation is called rollout implementation or phase implementation approach. Normally, SAP recommends to go with rollout-based implementation because in case of failures, this approach will not affect whole business of the company. Only those set of regions will get affected where SAP implementation was planned. You can replan the rollout. But if you go with Big Bang implementation, if some activities go out of plan or something goes wrong, there might be a possibility of delay on the entire implementation. Entire implementation may get affected. Sometimes chances of project failure increases, and it has happened with few companies. In coming sessions, we can discuss the reason of failures. So therefore, SAP normally do not recommend big bang implementation. SAP recommends rollout implementation approach. SAP implementation is based on the best practices and the case studies which have been implemented and used across various customers. They have been tested, tried, applications which thousands of the organizations are using. What is the reason of implementing SAP in any company? Number 1, to improve business and operations. That helps the top management to make the strategies and plan the operations in a better way. Standardize the business process in the organization, which will reduce the cost. With SAP implementation, companies can achieve the better efficiency in the operations. They can adopt best practices, use standard processes, set up and implement an integrated and up-to-date SAP system, providing needed access to enterprise information. So these are all the advantages and benefits of going with SAP. Why use the ASAP methodology? Why you need a methodology for end-to-end solution? Any complex solutions that you implement requires a solution management methodology. We are discussing about companies whose business is there across the globe. Because of each country we live, it is legal and the local requirements, the complexity adds more. So therefore, to implement solutions, complex solutions for each of the locations, you must have a comprehensive tool which will help you analyze the requirements in each of the phase. So therefore, if you require a comprehensive tool, for this reason, integration of business processes as well as the software and systems components become more relevant in the implementation of new solutions. SAP implementation is the whole of processes that defines the complete methodology to implement. What is the ASAP methodology? The ASAP methodology or Accelerated SAP methodology is a structured framework developed by SAP for implementing SAP solutions, including SAP ERP, SAP S4 Hana, and other SAP products. It is designed to streamline the implementation process, reduce risks, and ensure successful project delivery. Its goal is to effectively optimize time, people, quality, and other resources using a proven methodology to implementation. The ASAP methodology has been widely used in the SAP ecosystem and has evolved over time, with SAP Activate now being the recommended methodology for SAP S4HANA implementations. Key phases of the ASAP methodology consists of 5 main phases: project preparation, blueprint, realization, finalization, go-live, and support. Accelerated SAP methodology will give you a step-by-step guide or roadmap what activities needs to be conducted or performed in each of these phases. So, the ASAP is a standard implementation methodology used for implementing SAP projects successfully.